out. I got a 2019 Toyota Tacoma. I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance reminders. There are two ways to reset the maintenance reminders on this particular truck. Okay, the first way is you're gonna use the buttons on the steering wheel right here on the right, and you're gonna need to scroll over. Okay, and you'll see your display change. You're gonna scroll all the way over to the right to get to the gear. You're gonna go down to settings and hit enter, and then you can go down towards the bottom to maintenance reset, and it'll ask you. Right, and it's that simple if you have the display like that. If you don't, let's go all the way back. What you're going to want to do is go over your trip button, and you're going to make sure you set this thing to trip A. I'm going to turn the car off, and you're going to need to hold down the trip button and then turn the car on, but not start the engine. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold the trip button and start stop 2 times. Then you'll see these little dots at the bottom. That's the indication that it's resetting. Those dots, those flashing dots. And that's it. That's the other way of resetting the maintenance reminders.